Find the number of digits, not the value. Find the number of digits. Find the number of digits for the perfect cubes given below. Find the number of digits for the perfect cubes given below. How to check whether a number is a perfect cube or not, that also we will discuss. All the given numbers are perfect cubes. He is not asking the answer. He is asking how many digits are there in the question. Step number 1. Because it is cubed root, put a slash after 3 digits. A group is a group which should contain maximum 3 digits. This is one group. 1 digit will come. 2 can be written as 002. Another group. How many groups are there? That many digits will be there in the answer. Answer will have 2 digits. Answer will have 2 digits. Second question. Cube the root of 1012, 048, 064. 1012, 048, 064. Answer will be after 3. After 3. After 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Answer will have 4 digits. Cube the root of 32768. What will be the answer? Keep an eye on 3 digits. 1, 2. Answer will have 2 digits. Find the number of digits.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.